My name is Stephen Henschke. I'm a winemaker and I'm the current owner of the Henschke family wine business. We are a small to medium-sized winery, and we would crush somewhere around about 500 to 600 tonnes of fruit a year, really based on premium quality fruit. The Henschke is really based on limited resources, so limited water, limited power, old vines. So sustainability for us is really important because it's about our future, it's about managing the environment, managing our quality.
Some of the challenges we have at Henschke is that we're quite far away from a lot of resources that we need for running a business and making wine. Water, power, roads. Sometimes we have challenges with voltage and we have regular brownouts and blackouts. When we were looking at a solar and battery system, one of the great things about that was the security of power supply to maintain particularly power supply for when we're going through vintage time and producing to avoid any problems with blackouts.
In 2021, we finished a process of consultation with Tom from Tandem Energy, and we installed the solar/battery system on the winery. Installing the battery in particular, and obviously the solar panels to support it, has been about balancing that load and making sure we don't have power failures.
It's fantastic to have a battery, a solar system and a generator which support us, throughout peak periods right across the day. Some of the recommendations I'd have for other businesses if they're looking to put in a similar system is understanding your resources you have at hand, what people you have in your business that have familiarity with these sorts of things. When you have challenges or emergencies, it's good to have someone on the ground that has a good understanding of it. Find the right partner as well, so a supplier that has a really good understanding of not only the systems and the technology, but your needs as well. So how important is security of supply or carbon footprint or sustainability or unique pieces of equipment. We have some great ambitions at Henschke to be much more self-reliant and have a greater possibility to electrify, for example, forklifts, hot water, staff cars, things like that. There's wonderful opportunities for changing over almost all of our fossil fuel needs at the winery. It gives you that capability to look forward in the future and plan out 5, 10, 15 years where you want to be. It does take a bit of investment in terms of putting in the right capacity, enough solar, enough battery, enough size in cables and switchboards. But once you're there and once you're planning it, you can plan for those things in advance.